The Carpet and Rug Institute presents The Beauty and Benefits of Carpet.
Oh no!
Don't cry, I'm Agent Lucy with CRI, here to educate consumers on behalf of the carpet industry.
CRI?
The Carpet and Rug Institute. Carpet, the canvas of a room. The setting of family movie night. The backdrop to everyday living. A classic popcorn and soda spill causes for a simple 3-step solution. Step 1, blot with a white cloth or paper towel. Step 2, vacuum up all those pesky crumbs. And remember, the most effective way to keep your carpet clean is to vacuum at least once a week. For the best results, use a vacuum with the CRI seal of approval. Step 3. Now, let's clean the stain. Use a wet white towel to rinse the spill, then blot dry. Next, use a cleaner with the CRI seal of approval. Blot. Don't scrub. This is CRI approved.
The Carpet and Rug Institute, based on fact and science, guided by principle.